Hi everyone. So today I'm at my sister's shop, and honestly, the shop is filled with so many things: toys, stationery, and makeup products, and there are many more things to hear. So let me show you. And guess what? Today I am the shopkeeper for the day. I will show you each and every section so you can also enjoy and you can also do all the things together with me. So come. Okay, so this is my seat, and I have to become a shopkeeper for the day. And to be honest, being a shopkeeper is not just a small task, it's a biggest task and also a fun sometimes. Okay, so let me show you something. So these are makeup sections. So different kind of sets are here. And my favorite one is Mars product. And what about you? And I will show you some more section that here. Can you come here? Yeah, so this is stationery and I have to do a lot of things here. And honestly, she has arranged each and everything so good. So I'm arranging all this. Here you can see a lot of things, literature and many more things for kids as well. And kids definitely enjoy this toys, like clothing section. Yeah, see here, isn't it filled with so many things? And how well it is arranged. And honestly, being a shopkeeper is fun sometimes, but also a big responsibilities to handle so many customers simultaneously. So my favorite section is this one, the makeup products. And how about you? Do you like makeup things a lot or like jewelry and like earrings? So being a girl, we always like these kind of things to shop. So this is also my favorite. And the good thing is that the girl she's working here is available to help me. So that is the good part. So finally we found that the customer was looking for. So he bought that and meet this cute and naughty boy. He is a nephew of my brother-in-law and my sister. These are all stationery items. You can buy so many things in a single shop. It is filled with variety of items here. Like you can see, and this is the view of our outside. Being a shopkeeper looks so easy, but trust me, there is a lot of work behind the scene. We have to maintain each and everything, every products according to our customers. Here I'm showing some necklace to one of the customers. She wanted a necklace, so I was just showing different kind of designs. So this time there is no customer, so I am recording all these things just for my time pass. And also I love these small clutches, so I'm just exploring it for myself. And there are different kind of clutches are also available here. Hmm. Here see this beautiful mannequin. So we dressed up her with the new collection. Isn't it looking beautiful? Kids items like toys, car, kitchen set, and all the things that kids love. And see this beautiful toy here, a teddy. So here is one customer. He is looking for something, especially face towel and some other products like plastic.
और कुछ नहीं था।
एक चीज़ और देख रहा था, बंदूक है क्या बच्चों वाला?
So this time no customer at our shop. So I decided to make this vlog and to complete. But before that, I want to ask like what things you really enjoy when you go to any shop, especially as a customer. If I talk about me, so to be honest, when I go to any shop and I love exploring new things. And the another thing is I feel very happy when I get something which I was looking for. So it's a good thing. And being a girl, we enjoy each and every moment. We see new things, new variety of products, and there are many more things to explore. And today I am representing myself as a shopkeeper. So I am feeling with happy also because I am getting chance to meet different kind of customers, and also it's a fun part when I have to show something to customer like different products and different things. I hope you guys really enjoyed this short blog, and if you really like my blog, please like and subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching.